Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. The Trike has 11,720 miles and passes New York State inspection. This bike has a 14.3 volt charging output. We have replaced the front tire and the rear tires are at 8/30 seconds. This Trike has been test ridden and runs rides and shifts properly. Taking a look at the service repair order, we put $721 into this bike, and you can view the repair order on our website. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we can see as flaws not caused by normal riding. There's a paint chip on the upper fairing. This Trike has no owner's manual and no toolkit, one key and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a Harley-Davidson rear fender cover and Sirius XM antenna. This bike has a clear title, and looking at the CycleCheck's vehicle history report, there are no concerns. This Trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.